Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys this cape hack on Dress to Impress. So for instance, you don't want to use this cape, you want to use like a translucent one. Actually, you just need the veil. You do need VIP for this, unfortunately. But you're going to scale it all the way up and you're just going to lower the placement of it to the very bottom. Then I'm just going to rotate it this way. So it goes down a little bit more, and then here you can select the color and you can even add the glitter toggle on it. So the material, and it will look like this. Can I talk? Apparently not, but that is how you can get a different looking cape on Dress Impress. Unfortunately, yes, it does need VIP still. Sorry, like I don't make the rules, but that is how you can create a translucent cape and Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.